Hi guys, I am Chef Surajit and today I come again a new video. So new video today I showing you how to make the Cappelletti. It's a Italian pasta, stuffed pasta, and it's a shape like a ring, like a cap type. That's the reason is the name of Cappelletti. Okay, uh, and it's a the stuff inside have ricotta con spinaca, ricotta with spinaca, and other some Italian herbs. So it's very delicious pasta. So keep in watch all the video and you can understand that the how to make the capelletti, pasta capelletti.
Here I take a flour 700 gram. Remember that every 100 gram flour need to 1 eggs. Add the salt and oil and a little water. Mix together all and slowly mixing with the flour. Now I use to my hand to mix the flour with eggs and slowly I mix all and kneading very well. Always you use your palm when you kneading the flour and follow my video instruction how to make the perfect way the dough. If you want perfect dough, so you use always your palm. Now I cutted the spinaca. I use only for the leaves and the branch I cutted. Now I cook to the spinach. So I on the gas oven and heating the pan. I add the oil and add the chopped garlic. Now I add to the spinach. Cook to the spinach and add some salt. The salt help to the spinach cook quickly. When spinach come out of the water and I will drain all the water with strainer. Now I chop the spinach. Now I take a ricotta in a bowl and with forks I mix well. Add the salt, some black pepper and nutmeg powder. Add the chopped spinach and mix together all. Now I add to the Parmigiano cheese. Add the 1 egg and mix well with ricotta. So my stuff is ready and I transfer my stuff in a manga. Now I do the pasta sheet with my pasta machine, and keep in watch all the video because this part is very important. I show you step by step how to make pasta sheet. So now I fix my machine and 0 to start. Now I regulate to the pasta machine and I put to the number 3 or number 2. Now I change again to regulating the number, and now I put the number 5 or number 6. So my pasta sheet is ready. Now I two part to the divided. Now I cut the pasta sheet like a square, and every square 7 into 7 centimeter size. Now I fill the stuff ricotta with spinach. Now I give in the shape of Cappelletti. Now time to cook Cappelletti. I add the water in a pan and heating the water. Add the Cappelletti and cook 2 to 3 minutes. After cook the Cappelletti, I strain the water in my strainer and take up the Cappelletti. So ready our Cappelletti. Now time to plating the Cappelletti with Salsa Bolognese. The Salsa Bolognese, how to you make, I give the description box the link. You can please check that. Now garnishing the Cappellettis with chopped basils and some leaves of basils and Parmesan cheese. So ready our Cappellettis with Salsa Bolognese. Hope you learn how to make the Cappellettis and enjoy the video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.